Hello there! Today's lesson is on multiplication of numbers in base 2 numerals. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to multiply two two-digit binary numbers. Are you ready? Let's begin! Binary multiplication is the process of multiplying binary numbers. It is carried out by using the rules of long multiplication, as it is done in the decimal system, as well as using the rules of binary multiplication. The rules for binary multiplication are 0 times 0 equals 0, 0 times 1 equals 0, 1 times 0 equals 0, and 1 times 1 equals 1. We will now look at some examples on multiplication of numbers in base 2 numerals. Multiply the following: A. 1 0 base 2 by 1 0 base 2. B. 1 1 1 base 2 by 1 0 1 base 2. Let's now find their solutions together. Are you ready? We first write down the multiplicand and the multiplier, one below the other and in proper positions. Then we multiply the rightmost digit of the multiplier, which is 0, with all the digits of the multiplicand, 1 0 base 2. 0 times 0 is equal to... Yes, it's 0. 0 times 1 is... Correct! It's equal to 0. Let us add a placeholder, say x. You can use any variable that does not have a value. It does not have to be x under 0 before multiplying the next higher order digit of the multiplier, which is 1, with the multiplicand 1 0 base 2. 1 times 0 is... It's equal to 0. 1 times 1... Yes, it's equals to 1. The product obtained in each row is called the partial product. Finally, we add all the partial product. To add all the binary numbers, use the rules of binary addition. Can you remember them? Let's have a recap on that. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 1 0. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 1 1. We bring down 0 since x does not have a value. 0 plus 0 is 0. Then we bring down 1. Therefore, 1 0 base 2 times 1 0 base 2 equals 1 0 0 base 2. Well done! Let us now solve the second example. What is the first thing we need to do? Yes, we need to write down the multiplicand and the multiplier, one below the other in proper positions. What next? We multiply the rightmost digit of the multiplier, 1, with all the digits of the multiplicand, 1 1 1 base 2. 1 times 1 equal to 1. 1 times 1 equals to 1. 1 times 1 equals to 1. Add a placeholder x under 1 before multiplying the next higher order digit of the multiplier, which is 0, with the multiplicand. 0 times 1 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. And 0 times 1 is 0. Add two placeholders x, the first one under x and the second one under 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is equals to 1. We then add the partial products. Starting from the leftmost column, we bring down 1 since x does not have a value. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 1 0. We write down 0 and carry 1. 0 plus 1 plus the 1 we carried over gives us 1 0. We write down 0 and carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 0. We write down 1 0. Therefore, 111 base 2 times 101 base 2 is 10011 base 2. Good job everyone for paying attention and participating in the lesson. We have now come to the end of today's lesson. Today, we learnt about the rules for binary multiplication and solved some examples on multiplication of binary numbers. Also, we learnt that the product obtained in each row is called the partial product. See you in the next lesson!